Let's understand how to control image variations and dimensions. These options help you decide how many images are generated and what format they are created in. First, look at the number of generations. This lets you generate multiple variations of the same prompt, useful when you want different options to choose from. Also, keep in mind that credits are calculated per image. For example, if you're using Gemini Nano Banana and the cost is 25 credits per image, selecting 2 generations will use credits for both images, so the total cost scales with the number of generations. Next, we have image dimensions. You can choose from standard formats like tall, portrait, square, landscape, etc. You can also click on More Options to select dimensions optimized for platforms like Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and others. Let's see this in action. Enter a prompt. A refreshing iced coffee in a glass with ice cubes. Minimal aesthetic. First, select the square format and generate the image. This works well for general use and most social media posts. Now, switch the dimension to Instagram Story format. Generate the image again. You'll notice the layout adjusts to a vertical format, optimized for stories. Now, let's try a different example for a YouTube thumbnail. Enter a new prompt. A shocked person looking at a glowing laptop screen. Dark background, dramatic lighting, high contrast, YouTube thumbnail style. Select the YouTube thumbnail dimension. Increase the number of generations to 2. Generate the images. You'll now get multiple variations of the thumbnail, each with slight differences in composition, expression, or lighting. This is useful for A/B testing, where you can compare different options and choose the most effective one. In the next video, we'll explore how to upload images and use them as references to generate new images.